Here's an update of the 1969 Airstream Land Yacht Sovereign that was recently refurbished on the interior. New insulation, new wiring, refurbished electrical, original light fixtures, new fantastic fan, which is fantastic. New IKEA table in place of the credenza that was there. Some new cabinetry, like that piece there that was kind of rotted out. And then some old cabinetry that was refinished. The original countertop, stove and sink. Original overhead storage, just original wallpaper stripped off. And new panels put in, old hardware. Used to be a stove and an oven in this place, and now it's a cupboard built in the same style as original. There will be a new countertop placed in there. And in the bedroom area, overhead cabinets, original light fixture. The air conditioning is removed. This is missing the mattress at the moment, but that's where one bed is, and then we've got two narrow bunks for the boys. And then in the back, where the original bathroom was, new aluminum interior skins put in, LED lighting. We're missing, I haven't built the vanity yet with the sink that'll go there, and the porta potty toilet, which works really well. Original cabinetry for the cupboards and doors and walls, just refinished. This is a 31-foot model. Thank you for watching.